Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know, it's the Queen of Recipe Shooks here to share with you today my jerk chicken salad. So I have 2 chicken breasts that I will be seasoning with my homemade jerk marinade. I have a video out on how to prepare your jerk marinade, so you can check out that video. I'll leave it in the description for you also. I have some browning because my jerk marinade, I didn't add browning to it because I use it even in my other dishes like my curry or my brown stew. I'll be adding some garlic seasoning and onion powder, so garlic powder and onion powder, and just some Maggi chicken seasoning. Over here we have our vegetables that we will be preparing later on. So let's just get into seasoning our chicken breast. I'm gonna put this on a grill and pop it into the oven. Okay, so I'm going to add about ½ tablespoon of my garlic powder and my onion powder mix. And I'm going to add the same amount, ½ tablespoon of my Maggi chicken seasoning. And then we're just gonna mix about 1 tablespoon of our jerk marinade with some browning. So we're gonna mix this with the browning. Just a little bit more browning. Okay, I'm just gonna combine this so we can get that nice color. Then we're just gonna rub this on our chicken. See how lovely that looks, guys? Yes. Just have all of the goodness in there. Your garlic, your ginger, your pepper, everything is in this already. Your pimento seeds. Okay, you want to be wearing a glove, guys, because this have a lot of pepper as well. Gonna turn it over and get some of that nice jerk seasoning on. And here I prepared a grill that I will be using, guys. And you want to preheat your oven at this point at 450 degrees. Looking lovely. Yes, and because this is chicken breast, guys, you don't wanna, because normally when I'm doing other parts of the chicken, I like when my chicken have a little bit of color. Yes, when I'm doing my jerk chicken, but you wanna be careful with the chicken breast not to keep it in the oven too long. Worse, you're gonna have it with your salad. So this is looking nice. Normally, guys, I would marinate this and leave it for about half an hour or overnight, but I'm preparing this for lunch, so I'm going to be popping this in the oven right away. It is going to taste the same. Well, I wouldn't say the same, but will taste absolutely amazing. So let's put this on our grill and pop this in our oven. You can put a little bit of olive oil on this so it doesn't stick to your grill. I'll be doing that. So I'm just gonna add some olive oil. Just massage that on both sides. and we are ready to go. Let's put this on our grill now, guys. Yes. You want to get out all of that niceness on your chicken. You don't want to leave that on your plate. Wow. Lovely. Okay. So let's pop this in our oven, guys, and come back and we're going to prepare our salad, okay? So guys, I am just putting some wedges in my chicken. I totally forgot to do this. It wouldn't have been a biggie if you hadn't, but I just love to do that when I'm doing jerk chicken breasts. So you just want to just put some wedges just like so and get some of that goodness inside of those wedges as well. There you go. So now you're gonna get some of that seasoning down in those wedges, okay? And then we're gonna pop this in the oven as we planned. Okay guys, so now we're gonna prepare our vegetables. So I'm using half of a lettuce, a piece of cabbage, 1 white onion, 1 tomato, a carrot, and 1 stick of celery, and some bell peppers. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut my my lettuce just like so. Okay, so let's put our lettuce over here. Nicely washed, guys. Make sure you wash your vegetables properly. So I'm just gonna cut up my celery stick. Nice. And we're going to transfer this as well over here. And our tomato. Just like so. Lovely. And what I want to do, guys, I want to get some of the seeds out. Worse if you're not using your salad right away. I want to get some of them out. So for the bell peppers, I'm just going to dice them as well, just in small pieces. You can leave them as they are, but I just like everything nicely diced. And I'm doing like a mixed veg. Just like so. Okay, so our onions. And we're going to just shred our carrots. Okay guys, so now we're going to shred our carrot. And I'm using this part of the grater. Just like so. There you go. That's how we're doing our carrot. Okay guys, so now our carrot is ready, nicely shredded. Just gonna pop it over here. And then we're gonna shred our cabbage. Everything is looking lovely and nice over there. Okay guys, so let's shred our cabbage, and I'm going to be using this side of our grater to do our cabbage. And when you're done, you just take out all of these, the bigger ones from your cabbage, don't worry. Okay, so we finished our cabbage, and what we're gonna do, guys, we're just gonna take out like the bigger pieces like these. We don't need those in.